Hey Charles,
What's up?
how do we do a car wash through service?
Oh, follow me.
First, you're going to go ahead and pull into the service side of the dealership. And there, you're just going to approach one of the valets and say you're here for your complimentary car wash.
Hi, I'm here for my complimentary car wash.
After you're checked in, you're going to go ahead and be given a ticket. This ticket can be used to pick up your vehicle in the future. Now come with us as we go ahead and sit in our lounge as we go ahead and wait. We will enjoy some refreshments, beverages, and some snacks. And here I am just pouring myself a cup of coffee, waiting in the meantime, and I just got the text.
Take this ticket. Got it parked right out front the door for you.
Wash times are going to go ahead and be from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, and 8 to 3 on Saturdays. Thank you, here at BMW San Antonio.